सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एस्पायर आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
तो आज ये जो हमने एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ थिंग इन्वेंट की है, ऐसे मैंने अपने जीवन में बहुत सारी चीज़ें इन्वेंट की हैं। सम आर अप्रिशिएटेड, सम आर क्रिटिसाइज्ड। मुझे उससे मैटर नहीं पड़ता है, क्योंकि जो इनिशिएटिव लेता है उसको पहले से पता होता है कि कुछ को अच्छा लगेगा, कुछ को बुरा लगेगा। एस्पायर स्टार्टेड his journey in 2011. So many, that is ups and downs. More than 6,000-7,000 students already become the part of this Aspire. More than 400 selections. My role is only one, to craft a better human being. Because a master, not a teacher, not a guru, is that type of person who always wants his disciple to reach the utmost part of the society, and they should also generate the name. Because we as a people are always working for the growth and the development of others. Some are understanding, some are not understanding. Competition is there, but doesn't mean that we people should be jealous about other people. Everybody has their own innovations, on that is the backgrounds, on type of skills. But as an individual, I always think only one perspective, that so much important things people are missing. Because when I learned during this preparation, what I want from my institute, I produce the same thing in my classes. Rishikesh trip, Goa trip. We also organize so many rural trips to Atarna and nearby villages. All these things I want during my preparation, and believe me, all these things are yielding the good results. How to become a better human? A better human is a human which only think good about others. We are not comparing others. Who is doing what is the purpose, who is doing bad for us, good for us. We just know one thing, that our life is very small. In our the childhood days, we had some dreams, and that dreams can be fulfilled not only in context of studies but also in context of service for others. जब हम किसी के लिए कुछ करते हैं जो हमें उस समय मजा आता है, वो कभी नहीं आता है। दिक्कत ये हो गई है, when we are doing others, we also search our own benefit. कि अगर आज मैं प्रोग्राम कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे इसका कुछ फायदा मिले इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मार्केटिंग एंड एनीथिंग. नो, आई डू नॉट वांट दिस थिंग. दिस इज द इंटरनल अफेयर्स ऑफ एस्पायर, देयर फैकल्टीज एंड देयर स्टूडेंट्स, एंड वी आर डेवलपिंग ईच अदर. व्हेन Nandati become IAS, everyone is saying कि sir please cash it, this is a golden opportunity. But that girl and me and my students are knowing that we are not having the tendency to utilize the result of our the students. We organize her program outside the Aspire, under the Dhara, in one auditorium. We never publicize this thing on the newspaper, and we always want that people should judge a teacher not because how much result is coming from this institution. A student can judge a teacher whether he learned or he is or she is learning something from that teacher. If you learn daily 2-3 concepts also, think in this manner, 300 days, 3 concepts daily, 900 to 1000 concepts are in your mind. Task is over. UPSC is checking only 800 concepts, but we are learning 1 lakh concepts. Recently I met with some people. These people are running some institute. They are knowing me. They are saying, sir, your strategy is correct. But when we are getting by your strategy, only 10 pages are there in the form of notes. Nobody is purchasing. But we make when this 10 pages into 100 pages, students are lacking that book. Demand is increasing. Now everybody is feeling, wow, what is a book? In the same manner, one of my students, Varun Jain, he is a fabulous student of mine. He visited me before few days and he said, sir, I read with you 3 years and still I am remembering every word of your class in my mind. After that 3 years I am working myself, and now the concept is in my mind. Every day I am having the habit to read the newspaper because our Ankit sir told us how to read the newspaper. I never referred anything because that is just a wastage of time. Because that mock booklet will take some time, and in the mains we are only having 3 months, and we devoted 2 months only in this mota books. Then somehow optionals we are not in a condition to cover. But revising the same thing again and again, it can yield the result. Now where you should revise, through books or through mind? As Shailendra told, and so many people can tell you this thing, things should come spontaneously in your mind, rapidly in your mind, within the context. आपको कोई भी पढ़ा सकता है यार, पढ़ाना कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज़ नहीं होती. Even you failed PT, 4, 5, 6 PT, it doesn't matter. You will become a very good teacher. But who is a teacher? Teacher is that person who is having sensitivity, who is having empathy, who is having the overall compassion. And a teacher is a teacher who can develop those people who are feeling the weakest in the class. They are not nurturing those people who are the best people of the class. But the teacher is that type of guiding principle or the guiding candle who is developing that type of students who are not at all any confidence that I am not capable, I am from IGNOU and I am not in a condition to generate. But the growth of the institution are calculated in terms of revenues now, number of students now. But nobody is interested how much qualitative development one teacher can bring in the life of a disciple. And it is very important. And it will take some time and we should have some patience. We all are coming from the different, that is the backgrounds. We are having different type of education, that is a system from the different type of schools and colleges. Some are good in something, some are good in something, some are good in something. But in the life, we demand average approach in everything. Only then a very good mixture will come, which can be suitable for anybody taste. And who is tasting your item? That is examiner. So it is the right time, 2 to 3 years. If you control your emotions, if you take the right decisions, and if you practice hard, 100% you will become what you want. Problem is decisions. सही समय पर सही decision को use ना करना. You know your problem is PT, but you are devoting your time in mains. It kills you. Now you are good in PT, but you are devoting your time in mains. Sorry, you are good in PT. Again you devote your time in PT. Because some of your favorite person, whom you are having the emotional angle with your heart, is not qualifying the PT. And now it is a demand that you should work more on your mains. And now every year you are qualifying the PT, but you are not qualifying the mains. Again it kills you. So therefore one thing is very important, that is decision. Decision says, our life is of 80 years. If we devote 10% of this life in our career development, that is 8 years. Nothing we can lost. Nothing. हमें 100% हमारा डेस्टिनी मिलेगा. बस ये 8 साल को एक बर्डन की तरह मत लो. इस 8 साल को ये सोच के मत लो कि जो भी हम काम करेंगे उसके लिए रिवार्ड मिलेगा. कुछ बच्चों को मैं जब देखता हूं तो वो कोई भी चीज़ इसलिए परफॉर्म करते हैं कि उनको अपेक्षा होती है कि इसके लिए मुझे फर्स्ट या सेकंड प्राइज मिलेगा. नहीं. नंबर 2, जनता के हिसाब से बोलो. अगर आपके स्पीच से कोई बोर होने लग जाए, तुरंत कोई ह्यूमर छोड़ दो, हंसा दो. मैं भी हंसा देता हूँ बीच में. आज तक कितने लोग मेरे लेक्चरों के दौरान बोर हुए हो? टेल मी. मैं गारंटी देता हूँ नहीं हो सकते. क्योंकि मैं बोलता हूँ दुनिया के हिसाब से. जो तुम्हें सुनना पसंद है मैं तुम्हें वही सुनाता हूँ. और यही सबसे बड़ी आर्ट होती है. जो एग्जामिनर देखना चाहता है उसको वो सुना के आओ. जिस दिन तुम ये कला सीख जाओगे, ये एग्जाम बहुत इजी एग्जाम है. कुछ लोग हर साल रिजल्ट निकाल देते हैं. कैसे निकाल देते हैं? खबर आती है इसका फिर निकल गया है. उसको एक ट्रिक पता चल गई. हिज बेस इज नॉट दैट मच स्ट्रांग कि अगर उससे कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो उसका आंसर देगा. तो आज इस प्रोग्राम के बाद एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड को ग्रहण करो. इस धरती पर आए हैं, कमाना जरूरी, खाना जरूरी. हम सीरीज देखते हैं. नेटफ्लिक्स पे एक सीरीज है लास्ट, दैट्स द किंगडम, और लास्ट एम्पायर, लास्ट किंगडम. वाइकिंग्स और स्कॉटिश एंड सैक्सन पीपल के ऊपर ये सीरीज है. 3 सीजन इसके आ चुके हैं. तो इस सीरीज में यही दिखाया जाता है कि इवन इन द चाइल्डहुड डेज यू आर वीक, लेकिन आप कुछ भी बन सकते हो. उसके बाद समय एक जैसा नहीं चलता है. एक किंग भी स्लेव बन सकता है और स्लेव फिर से क्या बन सकता है? किंग. तो ये हमारे डिसीजंस मैटर करेंगे. तो हर चीज़ का एक कंक्लूजन देता हूँ. हम जो सोचते हैं लाइफ में ये सही है गलत है, ना कुछ सही है ना कुछ गलत है. अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम डिसीजंस आर समहाउ वैरिड. एक ही डिसीजन एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम में सही था, लेकिन वही डिसीजन दूसरे टाइम में क्या है? गलत है. एक इंसान की ज़िंदगी उसके डिसीजन तय करते हैं. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं सर आज भी आप इस तरह से स्ट्रगल करते हो. क्योंकि मेरे डिसीजंस, मुझे पता है मेरी लाइफ के फ्यूचर गोल्स को क्या करेंगे डिटरमाइन. आई ऑलरेडी लॉस्ट माई हाफ ऑफ द लाइफ. माई बॉडी इज समहाउ टायर्ड डे बाई डे. And I am knowing that if we really want to beat the people who already established on the higher ranks, we should do that type of thing which is somehow generate the credibility in the society that people can trust you. और जो trust होता है वो तभी generate होता है when we are a continuous performer. तो हम लोग अपने जीवन में अलग अलग समय पर परफॉर्म करते हैं और वो सब चीज़ें फिर डिसाइड करते हैं हम क्या डिसीजन लेते हैं. और डिसीजन के बाद थर्ड पार्ट जो ज्योति का टॉपिक था, टाइम मैनेजमेंट. ये टाइम मैनेजमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जो इंसान टाइम मैनेजमेंट का स्किल सीख जाता है उसको कहीं पर भी दुख, किसी भी तरीके का कोई भी दुख नहीं